A very pleasant morning to everyone. This is Nandini Pandey of 11C presenting before you all on behalf of my team on the topic public and private sector. But before getting started, I would like to thank our respected teacher, Ma'am Ankita Rastogi, for giving us this golden opportunity to work on this project. So let's start this by understanding the meaning of public and private sector. Public sector or the state-owned enterprises are the self-financing commercial enterprises that are under public ownership, which provides various private goods and services for sale and usually operate on a commercial basis. While if we'll talk about the private sector, it is an organization owned, managed and controlled by private individuals, partnership and groups, usually with the motive to earn profit. Now let us take a look on some of the few basic features of private and public sector. Starting with the public sector. State ownership. Public sectors are fully owned by government or some public authorities. In case the enterprise is owned both by the government and the private sector, the state must have at least 51% share in the ownership. State financing. The government provides the capital and funds through appropriations from its budget and also provide loan time to time. The ultimate control of public sector undertakings lies with the government. Service motive. Public sector activities are determined by consideration of social welfare and providing basic amenities to the people at cheaper rates. The sector is accountable to the public at very large for their performance and result. Bureaucratic management. The management of public sector undertakings is considered bureaucratic in the sense that their operations are governed by guidelines and policies prescribed by the Department of Public Enterprises. Now let us take a look on the features of the private sector. Profit earning motive. Unlike the public enterprises, private sector's main objective is to earn profit. This sector is very diverse sector and makes up a big part of many economies. Provide high quality facilities. Private enterprises play a dominant role in different types of development. It provides high quality facilities to its customers. The entire sector from producers to retailers greatly influences what consumers purchase and consume. Membership is higher in private sector. This sector plays a vital role of generating employment opportunities within its community. A significant number of businesses are under control of private sector, which suggests that the firms provide more jobs than the public sector. No public service commitment. The private sector are very unlikely to provide public goods because of the free rider problems. Therefore, the government needs to provide nearly all services which has the characteristics of the public goods. These include street cleaning, military, police, judicial system, etc. So here we learned about some of the basic features of public and private sector. Concluding this, I would like to say, both the public and private sector have a role to play in the Indian economy. For general businesses, the private sector is likely to be more efficient and better at job creation. However, the private sector also needs a good public sector to provide education, healthcare and infrastructure investments. Also, the private sector needs a stable macroeconomy which the government has a role to provide. And with this, I would like to end my presentation. Hope you all like it. Thank you so much.